Okay, so this arrived in mail yesterday. So this is a 4K Sunpak action camera that I bought from online a few weeks ago. Looks nice though. It says, yeah, right there, 4K at 30 ps, 1080p at 60 ps. Of course, the rest is junk. So do not have any experience using these kind of Chinese cameras, but this was for what, 25 bucks shipped. So I couldn't resist. I just wanted to try it. If it works, I'll just fix it somewhere in the bike, take some action shots, or just use it as a backup camera in my helmet. So let's see. Time to open it up. Okay, so this is what came out of the box. It's empty right now, there's nothing in. Plastic stuff, the camera itself. It's very lightweight. It even has a weather shield, as you can see. That's pretty nice touch. So it looks like that might be the mode button. I don't know. It has Wi-Fi built in, and it came with an adapter. So not bad so far. Alright, what is this? Okay, this is the base plate. A couple of adapters, more adapters, again more adapters. This may be useful for mounting this in a handlebar or any bars that has a round profile. Is it micro USB? Yeah, micro USB cable. Velcro straps, or just kind of lanyards. Base plate, I guess. More like something to attach to selfie sticks, looks like. Cleaning cloth, zip ties, and some manual. Anyway, so this is the camera right there. Alright, so this has a lock mechanism up here. I think that's what locks this entire protective case. So if I lift it up, so it comes off like that. And now I can open it up. Alright, so that should make the camera fall outside, and there it goes. Wow, it's super lightweight. Looks like there's nothing much to it, but the case is a little hefty, but nice to know that it's a bit sturdy. So just like how I dropped the camera earlier, it won't damage it, so that's good. And this has a protective film on it. Alright, it has a rubberized coating, like a matte finish rubberized coating. Wow, more protectors. Alright, so this is the up and down buttons, maybe to scroll through your files, I don't know. That's probably the shutter button. That's the power, obviously, and the mode. And on the right side we have a micro SD slot, a micro USB, and mini, what is that, HDMI? Yeah, like a mini HD out. Focus, okay. HD out, micro USB, and SD slot. Alright, let's see if it has power or juice enough to turn itself on. I'm going to press and hold that button. Nothing. Okay, it looks like it doesn't have any juice left. So I'm going to charge it up. Once it charges, let's see what kind of picture it's taking. So, but other than that, that's all is in the box. Mini camera with a nice protective case and some accessories, mounting stuff, brackets and stuff. Lanyards, cleaning cloths. Not bad. I mean, if it works for 25 bucks, I mean, I can't complain. Alright guys, so once that powers on, I'll post some videos and shorts on the quality of it. I'm going to use it at for the 1080 60 fps most of the time. I may, just for the kicks, I may try the 4K and see how that comes out. I'm expecting it's going to be a very low FPS, even though it says 30. I doubt it, but we'll see. And some of the specs are really good. Supports micro SDs up to 64 GB. It has time lapse, 16 MP megapixel photo, slow motion, 170-degree wide angle lens, 900 milliamp. That's quite low though. But anyway, even if it lasts like an hour, I'm good. 2-inch LCD screen, micro HDMI output. So, and some of the accessories they've included with it. 1 year limited warranty. Looks like it has an app from Google Play and App Store. I'm assuming you can use it to control the camera. That's cool. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And here it says all the accessories included with it. Alright. Okay, so the camera is charged up, and there was two lights here, a red light and a blue light. The red was blinking while it was charging, and looks like it is almost charged to at least 80% now. So this is the power on button and also the mode button. We'll get into that later, but this is the shutter. The OK button is the shutter button, and this is to navigate the menus up and down. So let's go ahead. It's off right now, so let's go ahead and turn it on. Hold it. It takes a while to power on, but yeah, it comes up. So right now, as you can see, it's at 1080 60 fps, and it's ready to go. If I hit the shutter button, it's going to start recording. But before that, let's see what are the modes available here. So right now it's in camera mode or video mode. As you can see, the video icon. So I'm going to spread the click the mode button, this one, and okay, right now it's in camera. It's in 16 megapixel mode, as you can see right there. And this TF is for the SD card. Right now I do not have one. The slot is empty. And this is obviously the battery indicator, the charge health indicator, and that's the Wi-Fi icon. I am not connected to any Wi-Fi at this point, so that's why it's disabled. Alright, so next mode, this is I think this is the slow motion mode, and the next is playback. So you hit the OK button when you have a video to play it back. So now we get into settings mode. So once you're in settings, you have to click mode. No, hold on. Yeah, once you're in settings, you have to click the OK button to get in. Okay, now we are in setting. So the first one is the video, next camera, I don't know, we'll get into that, and that's the settings menu, and that's the exit menu. So right now it's in video resolution 1080p. To change that, I select it using the OK button or the shutter button, and this comes up with the various modes. So let me put it back to 4K. I'm using these up and down buttons to navigate the menus. And OK again, and to select it. Now it's in 4K. So next is recording sound. Obviously you want that. If not, switch it off. Space lapse, I don't know what that is. Loop recording, when the card is full, it will start again, erasing whatever was there. Maybe you can use this as a dash cam using that feature. Slow motion, so what kind of resolution you want for that. Let's see what are the options available. It's only 1080p, 60 and 720. So to exit without selecting anything, I'm going to click the mode button. Alright, so let's see if any other, oh, that's it. So now to get out of this video menu, I'm going to hit the mode button. Okay, photo resolution 16 megapixel, you can bring it down to 5, 8, 12, whatever you want. I'm going to leave it at 16. Timer, obviously we all know that what timer is. Time lapse photo, burst photo, it will take one after another in quick bursts. What are the options for it? Okay, 3 per second, 5 per second, 10 per second. Okay, I'll just leave it off. Next, exposure, white balance, Wi-Fi. So if I select Wi-Fi, I think it's scanning. Oh, okay, so it's giving the SSID for this device that you can now use to connect. Alright, so press up to exit. Image rotation, driving mode. What is driving mode? Okay, I don't know what that is. Light source frequency, LED indicator, screensaver. This is when the screen will switch off even though recording is going on. So you don't want to waste battery with the screen always on. Auto shutdown, 3 minutes. When it's not recording, it's just sitting there, it's gonna shut down after 3 minutes. Yeah, 3 minutes looks fine to me. Alright. Time watermark. Alright, so it will put a watermark using the date time, which is fine. Volume high, and that's it. Next is mode button, language English, date time. I already did this, so I set it to today's date. Format, if you put a new card or you're moving cards across devices, it will probably ask you to format it. Reset to factory and firm version. Firmware version, what is it? 2018. Okay, it's quite an old firmware. Anyway, that's what I needed to, so I'm not going to bother with it. Mode again. Now it's coming to the exit button, the X button or X menu. Click OK, the shutter, and now you're back. So that's pretty much it. So the mode is video, camera, slow-mo, playback, settings, and back to video. So very compact, very lightweight, and I think I can really get some use out of this. Alright, so again, for the price, there's nothing to complain here. It's awesome, it's working great. The screen is a little warm already. Yeah, that's it. I think the battery is in here. Let me see if I can remove it. I'm going to switch it off. Hold the mode button, and it's switched off. I don't know if I can just lift this up. I should be. It's quite tight in there. it's quite tight in there, but anyway, I probably need a screwdriver or something to lift it up. I'm not going to bother with it, but that's the battery bank or battery compartment, and yeah, nothing much to it. So hopefully you got some overview of this camera, and there's quite a few like this in the market. Usually these go for like $60 to 80 bucks or something like that, but this was on sale, so I just grabbed one. I think I'll just I will not use it for vlog, but I'll definitely use it to capture some action sequences in my bike. Alright guys, thank you.